Hello everybody, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing Kailash Satyarthi's speech, How to Make Peace. Get Angry. This speech is prescribed for study in many universities. If you had not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe for more videos on various educational contents. Let's start. Who is Kailash Satyarthi? Kailash Satyarthi, born 11th January 1954, is an Indian social reformer who campaigned against child labour in India and advocated the universal right to education. In 2014, he was the co-recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize, along with Malala Yousafzai, for their struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the right of all children to education. He is the founder of multiple social activist organizations, including Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Global March Against Child Labour, Global Campaign for Education, Kailash Satyarthi Children's Foundation, and Bal Ashram Trust. About the speech. In his thought-provoking speech, Kailash Satyarthi, a Nobel laureate and children's rights activist, emphasizes the power of anger as a catalyst for positive change. He recounts pivotal moments in his life that ignited his anger and drove him to challenge social injustices. Satyarthi questions society's notion that anger is inherently negative, asserting that anger can be harnessed for the larger good of society. At the age of 11, witnessing the plight of his friends forced to leave school due to poverty and the inability to afford textbooks, Satyarthi's anger was ignited. Similarly, at 27, hearing the distress of a slave father facing the prospect of his daughter being sold into a brothel intensified his anger. And at 50, when he and his own son lay injured on the street, Satyarthi's anger surged, compelling him to challenge and change the evils plaguing the world. Satyarthi contends that throughout history, anger has been stigmatized and suppressed. Society taught individuals to control and contain their anger, but he questions why. Instead, he proposes channeling anger towards addressing societal problems and effecting positive transformations. He shares personal instances where anger gave birth to innovative ideas. Reflecting on his admiration for Mahatma Gandhi, Satyarthi recalls a pivotal moment at 15 when he sought to celebrate Gandhi's birth centenary differently. Recognizing the marginalization faced by the lowest caste in India, he envisioned inviting these individuals to a meal prepared and served by the untouchable community. Despite initial resistance, his determination prevailed, and political leaders agreed to participate. Although the leaders failed to show up, Satyarthi's anger transformed into resilience and determination to challenge the caste system. Satyarthi's anger also led him to pioneer initiatives such as establishing book banks to help underprivileged children access education and co-founding the Global Campaign for Education. Moreover, his anger at the injustice faced by enslaved children inspired him to develop strategies for their liberation and advocate for global policies to combat child labor. Satyarthi urges individuals to recognize and embrace their anger, transforming it into ideas and actions for social change. He asserts that anger, when combined with compassion, can break the cycles of ego and selfishness, leading to a better and more equitable world. By harnessing anger's energy, individuals have the power to challenge and dismantle societal injustices, making a significant impact on the lives of others. In a world often discouraged by anger, Satyarthi's impassioned plea serves as a reminder of its potential as a driving force for positive transformation. His story exemplifies the transformative power of anger, inspiring individuals to convert their own anger into meaningful action and contribute to a more just and compassionate society. Thank you for watching. If you had not subscribed this channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and share it with others if you find this video useful. Bye. Have a nice day.